Updating your MSI monitor's firmware ensures it has the latest performance improvements, bug fixes, and new features. The process differs depending on your monitor series and model. What the process does: firmware is software programmed into the monitor's hardware that provides basic control instructions. Updates can deliver bug fixes, new features like EOTF boost mode or DSC switch support, and improved performance. A stable monitor with no issues does not strictly require an update. Preparation: connect your monitor to your PC using a DisplayPort DP cable. Connect a USB Type-B to Type-A cable between the monitor and your computer as well. Ensure only the DP and USB cables are connected during the update. Method 1. MEG and MPG series. These series update through the Gaming Intelligence app. Visit the official MSI website for your specific monitor model. Download the latest firmware file and the Gaming Intelligence app if not already installed from the support page. Launch Gaming Intelligence and click Firmware Update in the left menu. Select the firmware type and click Get Started. Choose the extracted firmware file and begin the update. Wait for the firmware update succeeded message. Method 2. MAG series. MAG series monitors typically use the FW Update utility from the MSI website. Search for your specific MAG model on the MSI website. Download the Firmware FW Update utility and the firmware installation guide. Follow the specific instructions in the guide for your model. After a successful update, reset OSD settings via the monitor's on-screen display menu. Unplug the monitor's power cord and plug it back in. Limitation: you only need to install the latest firmware version, not every version sequentially. Older MAG-Q DOLD models without the latest update capability may require contacting a service center for firmware updates. Gaming intelligence detection issues may require a clean reinstall of the app.